What's that? What's going on? Paco? Hi, Paco. Hi. Hi, kitty kitty. Kitty kitty. Hi, kitty 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 kitty. Oh, what do I have? What is it? What is it? Oh, well, kitten. There's some kitten. Is there kitty food? Hi, honey. Oh, there's some. I gave you some kitty food, honey. There you go. Okay. Sebastian. Hey, Wilbur. Wilbur. Let me out, Wilbur. Okay, let me out. Come on. Nope. Ginger. Hey, Ginger. Okay. Oh, Willow. Okay. All right. Well, all right. We got goat, pony. Yeah. Okay, Paco. Come here, Paco. Paco. Here, Paco. Good boy, Paco. Here you go. Hey, Willow. Here you go. Sebastian. Wilbur. Willow. Come here. Oh, Sophia's an acrobat. Sophia. Oops, sorry, honey. Ow, careful. Sophia. Where's the pony? Hey. Wilbur, did you get one, Wilbur? Pony. Hey. Sebastian. Hey. Hi. Otis, here. Come here, Otis, come here. Otis, you want to... Otis. Here, Otis. Here. Otis, come here. Otis. Come here. Hi. Hey, Otis. There you go, Bear. Here, Paco. Good boy, Paco. Good boy. Oh, good boy, Paco. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow. See, that's some soil right here. Jeez. What are you doing? Hi. Oh, okay. We want another goat snackers? You be good boy. Oh, clean this up. Yeah. Wilbur. Hey, kitty. You just a hungry kitty? No. Nope. Back. Get back. Okay, Paco. Paco. We got Pacos. Okay. All right. Well, come out here. Come this way. Hi, Ginger. Hey, Willow. Now. Here, sweetie. Good girl. Oops. Paco. Here, Paco. Well, hi, Sebastian. Here, babies. Hey, hi, Ginger. Hey, no farm fights. Oh, Otis. Come on. Hey, Otis. Come here, Otis. Hey, Otis. Hi, my little pony. Here, Otis. Here, baby. Oh, Paco. Here, Paco. Okay. There's the big ponies. Oh, okay, Sebastian. Oh, did you? All right, wait. No, wait. Oh, okay, I don't know. All right, oh, that's here. There you go. Oh, good boy. You want some grass? Paco grass? All right, let's get the chickens. All right, we'll get some hay. Oh, Paco, baby, good boy. Come on, Pacos. Oh, this stuff is like, oh, really, it's growing us. Come on, Paco. Yeah. Hi, Wilbur. All right, so I gotta handle the chickens, guys. Sebastian, you be a good boy. We got water. Oh, you guys need some. You need some hay. You got enough to graze? Okay. Yeah. Hi, Paco. Good boy. I got your GoPro. I got your brush. Hi, Ginger. All right, I gotta get the chickens. The chickens want to get out. I don't want them to escape. That sucks. Okay, Corella. I hear you. Oh. Yeah. Okay, come on out. Hello. We gotta get some of these eggs. Yeah. Hey, Corella. We're gonna get some of these eggs out of here. We gotta clean them up. Oh, we got some babies coming. We gotta clean up the eggs. And we'll have some. Oh, you got a baby, huh? Whoa. Well, I know these ones are not fertilized. We'll get these out of here. I'm not trying to bother you. You got kids and all that, so I'll just be getting these eggs that are like out of here, you know what I'm saying, dude? I'm not trying to mess with your family and nesting situation. I just want to kind of tell, like, I'm not gonna mess with your kids. I'm trying to clean out these eggs. Yeah, the chickens will eat their own eggs too. Here, you guys want some chicken eggs? Here, go ahead. Yeah, look at that. Yums. See? Yeah, you got babies? I don't want to. Hey, pretty one. I'm not trying to hurt your little chickens. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get these ones that are like beat out of the way. Because they got a fertilized one over there. Oh, you bit me. Fuck. All right, never mind. I'm not getting bit by a chicken. Sorry, dude. You're a good mommy. Sorry. Shit, I did not mean to come near your eggs, dude. If those are alive, I'm sorry. I'm getting out of the way. I got what I could. Sorry about it. Alright guys, we're gonna smash these eggs and let you have chicken for breakfast. There you go. Here you go, guys. Oh yeah. There, yeah, snacky. There you go. I'm just trying to get these ones out of here that are not like fertilized and stuff. Here. Oops. You guys like chicken eggs. I know that. Chickens will eat chicken carcasses too. Here. Here, we'll get some of these chickens out of here. Oh, go ahead and sit on your baby. Sorry. Here, I'll get you more eggs. Here, we're getting more eggs over here. Hi, Corella. Ooh, hi. Are you the best daddy you've ever seen? What a good boy you are. Yeah. What? I hear you, Paco. Hi, beautiful. Now, if there's more eggs, I'll grab them. Oh, we got some more laying on chicken eggs. Okay, well, I'm never going to mess with a chicken. It's laying on eggs again. If I got any live ones, sorry. That one feels a little warm. I'll put that back in. Is that one warm too? I don't know. Alright, you're a mom, obviously. Fuck, did I grab the wrong? I don't think so. Sorry, dude. I did not mean to infringe. I think these are cold. I don't know. Are you looking for your children? Did I fucking kill them? I'm sorry. I'll put them back just in case they're alive. I just fucking got one. Jeez, I can't even keep this screw up. I'm sorry. This is just turning into a disaster. Just trying to clean up the chickens. Okay. But there's more chicken eggs over here. Let's see, is there any chickens in here? Ah, oh my gosh, someone's getting hung by a wire. Okay, there's nobody in here. So, these are not fertilized then. Oh, these ones are pretty blue ones. You guys are like laying on eggs and stuff? Okay. Did I smush some up? Sorry about that. Here. We get more chicken egg. Here. Here, guys. Here, guys. Oh. Here we go. Oh, what are you doing? Paco, I see you, Paco. Oh, we didn't run out, did we? Okay, boys, I'm coming. Hi, Paco. Okay, Paco. Stop. It's okay, Paco. It's okay. Okay, Paco. I know you're getting needy. Okay, Paco. Okay, Paco. Here, Paco. There you go, Paco. There you go. I'll get them. Hi, Ginger. You want some? You can't reach it? Go, Paco. Oh, you just got it on your head. Sorry, Paco. Here, babe. Oh, Paco. Paco. Here, Paco. Hey, Wilbur. You can't have too much. There's the fresh grass, though. My little pony is tearing up. Oh, they're right there. Well, we'll see what we got. Okay. There's Sebastian. There it goes. Oh, okay. That's farming.